Welcome back to setting up the Automation Centre of Excellence. So continuing on from part one, the next thing we're going to do is what's classed as syncing environments. So we're going to go to our main solution. So we're going to come to flow.microsoft.com, ensure that we're in the context of the environment that we want, which is Centre of Excellence. We're then going to click on Solutions. Once Solutions has loaded, we're going to want to select our Automation Centre of Excellence main. And then within here, we're going to want to click on our flow category on the left. So if we click on Cloud Flows, and here we've got our sync environments. So all we're going to do with this is we're going to click on it. And then if it hasn't run, we'll run it. So we can see there's no run history. So we're going to click Run, Run Flow, Done. And we're going to let that run. Next is something that you would want to do not only in your main environment, but any of the satellite environments. So you'll remember there is a satellite solution file, but we're just going to do this in main for the purpose of this video series. So again, we're going to find ourselves in Flowland, navigate to the environment where the COE main solution is installed, which we're in, Centre of Excellence. We're going to come into our solution again, which is the Automation Centre of Excellence main solution. And then essentially what we're going to do is import some data from a CSV file into a Dataverse table. So selecting the solution, we're going to come to the table that we want to import into, and this is going to be, so we're going to select tables on the left. I'm going to want to locate a table named desktop flow action. So desktop flow action here. Across the top, I'm going to click import, and I'm going to choose the import data from Excel. And then essentially this is going to prompt us to browse for the CSV file, and we're going to look for the supplied auto COE underscore desktop flow action.csv. So I'm just going to locate that file now. Although if, like me, you only downloaded the underscore manage.zip file main, if you go into the same Microsoft /PowerCat-automation-kit releases list of files, you'll find the CSV file there. So I'm just downloading that file now. Save it to make it available for selection, which it is now. So we've got the CSV file. Mapping was successful, and then we're going to click on import. And then after the import completes, we're just going to verify that we see data within the Dataverse table. Okay, so we can see inserts and updates 935. So that's looking hopeful. And if we just give this a refresh, which is refreshed everything, which is not what I was after, but we'll go back into the solution. We'll click on the tables category on the left. We'll locate our desktop flow action table. And then what we should find is that we do have data now populated, which we do, which we can see here. Now we're just going to have a quick look at the apps. And we're going to first go into our Automation Center app, which is of the model-driven type. So some of this will require additional configuration. Some of it will be a question of time because we did kick off that sync environments flow. But here you can see we can add automation goals. And then there's things like data loss prevention policy impact analysis for desktop flows. And this is where it will take time and you have to read the documentation to fully know what all of this does, which I'm hoping that I will release a future video that's going to kind of show you making the use of it. So just to wrap up, I'm just going to come back to the solutions. And what I want to do is I want to check in on that flow that we ran. So if I come to Cloud Flows, Sync Environments, and it did succeed, although there's not really many flows in this environment. And finally, I just want to have a look at what other apps we have available. And then I think what we will do next actually is we'll make use of the Automation Kit Power BI dashboard. Let's just go to apps. So we went into the Command Center, the Automation Center one, which is model driven. We've got Automation Console, Project, and DLP Impact Analysis. In fact, I'll wrap it up here purely because I'll need to share my potentially a Power BI desktop session when we make use of the template file. So thank you for watching, and we'll cover off more of the Automation Kit in a future video.